Hello, back with the golf. It's nice and sunny today. No, it's going to be a bit of a weird one, so I'm going to do a little bit. Probably got an hour or two free today, and I'm waiting on a few car parts, so I'm just going to fit the one that I've got, just because I want to drive the car and I think it might fix a problem I've got with it. So I'm going to fit it, see if it fixes the problem. I'll keep you posted. So bit I'm going to replace mass airflow sensor. It's currently running without one plugged in because it seems to work very well. I'm going to see if this fixes it. So it was leaning out, unplugging the MAF seemed to fix that, so that would suggest that the MAF is to blame. So I've gone and bought another genuine Bosch one. They're not cheap to keep buying these. This is it come with one. I've since replaced it £100, and this is another one. All genuine, and they're all just outside our warranty. So I'm going to fit this. It's a couple of Jubilee clips. I'm going to fasten the battery back in because it's been on charge, and pull it out, and I'm going to get a wash because it's nice and sunny. Don't know if I'll video the washing because I appreciate I nearly did a full video on washing a Beetle, so you might see it, you might not. That's all I'll get a chance to do today. Next time I work on it, I'm hopefully going to be doing there's another sensor I need to do, oil return line, there's some rear bushers, cam belt. All that should hopefully be coming up in this same video, so just stay tuned and we'll see where I go. Remember to plug it in. Beautiful. Lovely. Right, easy fit it with two Jubilee clips. I'm sure if you're anything into cars, if you can't undo two Jubilee clips, something wrong. So I'm going to start car. Hopefully AFRs do something. Don't know what, but we'll watch them and see what's what. Hello. we're now back. I believe that I've dubbed this into the same bit where we change the math, but we've got a guest star of Lee here today. It's one of them technical things I hate doing on cars, cam belt. So in Germany the cam belt sort of chew a little bit of itself. It didn't snap, it didn't break, and I've been boosting around on it for the last month or so, but it's just a precaution. So that's today's task. Slowly getting there ready for Cadwell. So first things first, getting a bit of access to it, so whip wheel off, charge pipe, some covers, bits and bats like that, and then we can see what's what. Interesting, that, isn't it? But that's not a... Do you reckon that's just not been bolted in and it hit something?
No, it's come loose.
Ah.
Get the fuck out.
That's gotta be in. Right, so you'll have just seen that I zoomed in on a bent bolt. It's this bolt here. Will it focus? Focus. I only can imagine it's backed out and then got hit by the pulley, but it holds the crank, cover, cape, pulley, whatever it is, it holds something on. Luckily it come out, which makes a change for one of our cars. Sort of glad we found that. Hello, I've not videoed, I've barely videoed. We're still stripping it down, what you ought to seen. We just nipped to Lee's because we needed one of the... It's like a long bolt that goes into tensioner to take the tension off belt so we can swap it. And it's now proving a pain.
Right, I'm now at the point where I've got tension on it, and I need to be able to get an Allen key in there, but I need to form an Allen key that's really short. Right,
we're still on with the tensioner. We've just been running around to screw fix because I haven't got a grinder here, so I went and got a grinder, picked up a 110 one, then had to take it straight back, got a 241, and now we've chopped and modified the tool, so hopefully it works now. Yeah?
There's more progress than we've made in the last couple of hours.
Oh, Jesus.
Seen better days, I think.
Yeah, it's not right clever, that, is it? For a 5,000 mile old belt. There it is. Right, we've not videoed a great deal. It's a cam belt change. We just took it for a test drive. Without the manual boost controller to see if we boosted. We didn't. So there's more digging in sensors and other bits of crap yet. Yeah. But manual boost controller works, so I'm not that concerned. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.